Say, good morning everybody, this is Ganesh. Today we learn about 10th class lesson, 12th chapter. This is 5th video of this lesson. The name of the lesson is The World During the World Wars. Now this is last video, 5th video of this lesson. Today we learn about Hitler and Second World War. Basically Hitler belongs to Germany. He lost his parents in his childhood and he was very interested to learn music and even painting. In his young age he was joined in German army. He has shown his courage, so that German government gave Iron Cross for him. In the year of 1929 to 39, the Great Depression took place in Germany. In that economic crisis situation, he started his political, journey, and that is why he came to power in the year of 1933. He came to power in the year of 1933. He promised to German to build a strong nation. He restored the dignity of German people. He wanted to restore the dignity of German people, because that Aryans, the German people are their race, R-A-C, race means nation, nationality. Okay, the Aryan race is superior than other nations. This type of aggressive, arrogant philosophy was brought by Hitler. He hated injustice of Versailles. The Treaty of Versailles took place in the year of 1919, which was imposed, which was blamed Germany. Germany only, the country was the cause of World War I. All allied countries, they blamed him. So that is why he was struggling like anything. He wanted to take a revenge on allied groups. So that is why you understand that he hated the injustice of Treaty of Versailles. He hated the injustice of Versailles. And he promised employment for his German youth. If you elect me, I will provide you, I supply everything for you, and I generate even new employment. He promised to German youth, and he promised to give good future for German youth. This one also did. So these are the promises which were given by all Hitler. Next, Second World War. As we know that the immediate cause of Second World War is Hitler attacked on Poland. Hitler attacked on whom? Hitler attacked on Poland. Hitler was a great speaker. This is his qualities of Hitler. These are all qualities of Hitler. Hitler was a great speaker. He gave priority for mobilization. Like nowadays, some KCR meetings, they conducted open meetings like that. This culture was started in Germany only. What is that? By Hitler only. He gave priority for mobilization and massive rallies. He conducted a number of rallies and public meetings. And in that meetings, he gave some promises to entire Germans. If they elect him, yes, he will give a bright future for entire Germans. And his symbol of his party is swastika. Swastika was his flag. Okay. Next, the German parliament name is Reichstag. What is that? Reichstag was the German parliament. This is very important question. We can ask like that. Come on, name the name of the German parliament. That is what? Reichstag. Then what is the Japan parliament? What is the name of the Japan parliament? That is Diet. Two important questions. Two important questions. Now we focus. Next, we go for next one. The Second World War. See, the before Second World War, we see his activities. In what ways he came to power, and Hitler, which act he passed. Now we see here. In the year of 1933, general elections was conducted, and in that elections, Nazi party got victory with 37% of votes. When he came to power, then immediately he brought a great act, famous act, Enabling Act. I write here, I underline here, Enabling Act. Enabling Act came in the year of 1933. According to, what is the specialty of this act? According to this act, Hitler became a dictator. That's all. He locked entire Reichstag. I already told you. German parliament is known as Reichstag. So when he became the chancellor, he just locked that parliament. He only became like a parliament. He only make all the laws. If he did not like them, he break all the laws. This is the feature of this is the demerit of dictatorship government. Of course, rapid economic growth was took place under his ruling, and that to develop his nation, to overcome from the obstacles of Great Depression, he appointed a great economist to implement new economic policies in his country. That great economist is Hjalmar Schacht, like Manmohan Singh, a great economist in India, one who implemented liberalization, privatization, and globalization. Hjalmar Schacht was a great economist. He was the person who implemented new economic policies under the guidelines of Hitler. So that is why Germany became a powerful economic country, even though it was humiliated, even though it was looted, but immediately Germany was grown up economically. And Hitler did genocidal war. Genocidal war means, Hitler did religious war, because Hitler is blamed Jews. Who are that Jews? Who came from Jerusalem. He blamed Jerusalem people, that is Jews. Jews are drinking Germany water. Jews are eating Germany bread. Jews are respirating Germany air. But these Jews are supporting for America, Britain, France, like allied countries. So that is why. So he did not tolerate them, and he was killed. Hitler sent these Jews into gas chambers, and gas chamber means just like godowns. We are preserving our grains in godowns. No? Like open godowns, he sent all these Jews and closed the doors and opened the poisonic gases. 6 lakhs of Jews were killed by his cruel activities. Come on, this is the picture of his character. And he killed 6 lakhs of Jews. Hitler killed 10 lakhs of even Polish people also. Polish people, nothing but Poland people. The capital city of Poland is Warsaw. He killed even 10 lakhs of Poland people also. And they used to kill them in gas chamber. Already I told, gas chambers. Okay. These are the activities of Hitler. Now next. The Second World War. Now we are coming into the end of the World War. See, in Stalingrad War, Russia defeated Germany in the year of 1943. Even own people, Russian people, sorry, the own German people, gradually German people criticized Hitler activities. They even protested his activities. They hated his activities. They hated his ruling, but they were unable to do anything because he became very powerful. So when Russia was entered to Germany, see, all Germany people welcomed even Russian soldiers. Russian soldiers treated as the liberators from the clutches of a devil. A devil. See, this type of writings was wrote in newspaper. See, Russian forces treated as liberators. And even in Second World War, America was also participated because Japan was attacked on Pearl Harbor. When Japan attacked on America, then immediately America also entered to Second World War. Even America dropped atom bombs on Japan. Hiroshima and Nagasaki both were destructed. See how many countries they were participated, how much what destruction was going on. Now you see here. Now next, see, after completion of Second World War, see, before this one we able to understand that war destruction. What is the Second World War destruction? We have seen 6 lakhs of Jews were dead, 10 lakhs of Polish people were dead, and even 2.5 crores of common people, including all military people. 2.5 crores of population were dead because of a short person, that is Hitler. So these are the things were happened in during World Wars beta. Now last, what are the results of World War II? What are the results of World War II? See, after completion of World War II, Britain became a second powerful country. Then can you guess what is the first and most powerful country? America became the powerful country. America became the powerful country. After completion of Second World War, United Nations was formed, UNO. At this time, how many members are there in UNO? UNO membered countries were 193. 193 countries were there. 193 countries. Now at present 193 nations. It was formed in the year of 1945, October 24th, and later some important organizations were also formed. UNICEF, United Nations Integrated Children Emergency Fund, UNICEF. See, this headquarter is located at where? New York. UNESCO means what? UN. Second one, UNESCO means United Nations Education, Scientific, Cultural Organization. This headquarters located at where? Paris. Okay, Paris. See, before this one, UNICEF, United Nations International Children Emergency Fund. This headquarters New York, America. Okay, New York, America. Next, WHO, World Health Organization, The Hague. It is located at where? Hague. Okay, next one is ILO, International Labour Organization. These are the international organizations were formed after completion of Second World War. Okay, Nana, these are the main objectives you have learnt in this lesson. Thank you, beta. Thank you, one and all.